Hello and welcome to a new video. I want to talk about a new experience I had at the immigration office. I knew that if you do not come to pick up the resident card in the first 6 months after the issue date, there will be some problems. But I didn't know what happens and what is to do to resolve this issue if you come later than 6 months after the resident card was issued. So if you are interested in Paraguay and you did not subscribe to this channel, I invite you to subscribe. I bring every month new videos. Even though I am pretty busy with my work, I help other people get the resident card and the cedula from Paraguay. I do from time to time new videos from my experiences. Always it's from my experiences, not from what I heard. There are a lot of rumors in Facebook, especially in groups or whatever, other sources you can find, that they are not accurate. Most of these rumors are not from experiences. So I talk from my experience. What did I experience to see what happens if you do not pick up the resident card in the first 6 months after the card was issued? So thanks for subscribing to this channel and for commenting, for sharing your knowledge that you get from my videos. I want to help many other people to live a better life, not only in Paraguay, but the country where I live a better life is Paraguay. So we lived before in Germany, in Romania we were born, both my wife and I. Then we lived in Spain 20 years and in the United States 4.5 years. From all these 4 other countries, Paraguay is our happiest life here. And I want to help many other people to find and live a better life. And that's why I am doing these videos, and that's why I help people that maybe do not know the Spanish language, but I also have clients from countries from Spain and other countries where they speak Spanish. They also ask for my help because it's not easy to find all the places where you have to go, what you have to do in order to get the residency documents. Let's talk now about this subject of this video. What happens? So if you do not pick up the resident card in the first 6 months, or a helper of yours, if you cannot do it, at least you talk with somebody like me that does this service and give them a power of attorney to pick up the resident card in the first 6 months. Because if you do not do it, if it was not picked up in the first 6 months, they will destroy the card. This is what they do and what I experienced. So I had a case recently, like 2 weeks ago or so approximately. So my client came. It was a misunderstanding because I asked all of them if they come in the following 6 months after the issue date, which is 9 months from the application date, then they do not need to assign a power of attorney. But if they don't come in this time, they will destroy the card, and then you have to apply for a new card. It's not a new residency application, it's just a new card. They keep the documents there, they send them to an archive, which is also not so good because you have to go to another place to look for them, and then you need to pay another fee to reissue the resident card, and then they will do it, but they do not do it right away. So in this case, we had a few days because the client was not here a week or so longer, and I had to use my contacts to resolve this issue. I do not recommend anyone. It doesn't matter if they get my help or not. I just give free information to anyone. It doesn't matter if they want my help or not. So if they want my help, they will recommend me. Most of my clients recommend me because they are content with my service. But there are people that think that they can save money. They will not save time for sure, because it takes you a longer time, like it took me when I started. I came 5 days to Asunción to apply for the resident card and 3 days to apply for the cedula. So everyone who does it for the first time needs a longer time. That's no discussion in it, because you cannot know all the places, and if you do not have help, you will need a week or who knows how long. But you will need to know this. If you do not come in the first 6 months again, or if you are not in Paraguay to pick up the resident card, you will have to wait a month or two until they issue a new one. And then you have to go to the archive to look for the documents, because they do not keep them there at the immigration office. They send them to another place where it's an archive of the documents, and that's more complicated. This is the reason why I wanted to give this information, so that you know it's very, very important that the resident card is picked up within the 6 months after the issue date. And 3 months they need approximately. It's a little bit less or a little bit more, depending on the case, or if your case was on standby. It means they found an issue, a problem that they cannot issue the resident card until it's resolved. Those cases are resolved also. So if you have somebody that helps you, I'm in charge, for example, to resolve those issues, and there are enough clients that are put on standby, and I have to see first what's the problem, what do I have to do, and then in some cases they found out that you lived in another country than from the country of citizenship. For example, a passport was done in a country at the consular office, and they saw this in the passport. It's written it was issued, for example, in London, and you are, let's say from Germany or from another European country, and then they will ask for the criminal records from that country. So in this case, I have some cases where I had to bring this document, and only if I have the power of attorney, they accept it from me. If not, you have to come by yourself to do this, to bring them the document they require. So it's very important that somebody helps you and has the power of attorney to act in your behalf. So this is why I make this video too, to let all people know that if they do not have a helper, if they do it by themselves, which takes a lot more time to do it, at least you go to a person like this, like me or others that do this service, and give them a power of attorney. I had such a case. A family met me there at the immigration office, and they told me, we saw you in the videos. And we started to talk, and then they told me, look, we will not be here for a longer time. Who knows when we come again? We do not know when we come again. We want you to pick up our resident cards and send them to us to the address they gave me. And I did this so I picked up the resident card, I sent them the resident cards, and now they have the card. The immigration office cannot destroy it anymore because it was picked up within the 6 months required. But for those that do not do this, they will destroy the card, and then you have to wait a month or who knows. I didn't have this experience because I could get it faster through my contacts. So if you have questions, let me know them in the comments or contact me. I leave always the WhatsApp, the Telegram, and the Signal number in the description of the video, and you can contact me there. And another thing is that we cannot apply for the cedula with just one visit anymore. So in the first visit, we apply for the resident card. Without having the resident card and having the person that applies, we cannot do this because they require now digital fingerprints for the cedula application. And we have to have both, the resident card and the fingerprints. Earlier, we could save the fingerprints on paper and we could resolve this issue. So it was possible before, it's not anymore. There are enough people that ask me if it's still possible to do it within one visit. So I recommend you to have a helper and give them a power of attorney. And if you have other questions, let me know. I live a happier life in Paraguay than United States, Germany, Spain, and Romania. And I believe that anyone can do it too, but we are so different. I don't know who wants to live in Paraguay or who not. Most of my clients wants to have the documents and come in the last time before it happens something big like the war or whatever. Who knows when they want to come, but most of my clients do not live in Paraguay. So thanks for watching the videos, for subscribing to this channel. I wish anyone a better life.